Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that affects every single one of us: time management. Specifically, we'll discuss how to use our 24 hours wisely. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people seem to achieve so much more with their time. Why is that? The secret lies in how we manage those hours. Importance of time management. Effective time management can lead to increased productivity, less stress, and a better work-life balance. It helps us prioritize our tasks and focus on what truly matters. Understanding time management. First, let's define what time management is. Time management involves planning and exercising conscious control over the amount of time spent on specific activities to work smarter rather than harder. It's not about being busy, it's about being productive. Identifying time wasters. One of the first steps in using your 24 hours wisely is identifying time wasters. Common time wasters include excessive social media use, unnecessary meetings, procrastination, and poor organization. Track your activities for a day and see where your time is going. You might be surprised. Prioritizing tasks. Prioritization is key. The Eisenhower matrix is a great tool for this. It divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on tasks that are important but not urgent to prevent them from becoming urgent. Setting goals. Setting clear, achievable goals is crucial. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures that your goals are clear and reachable within a specified time frame. Creating a daily schedule. A well-structured daily schedule is your blueprint for a productive day. Start by planning your day the night before. Allocate time blocks for different tasks and include breaks to avoid burnout. Tools like planners, calendars, or digital apps can be very helpful in this process. Avoiding multitasking. While multitasking might seem like a way to get more done, it often leads to reduced efficiency and more mistakes. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Taking care of yourself. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat healthily, and exercise regularly. A healthy body and mind are essential for productivity. To sum up, using your 24 hours wisely involves understanding time management, identifying and eliminating time wasters, prioritizing tasks, setting clear goals, creating a daily schedule, avoiding multitasking, and taking care of yourself. Start implementing these strategies today. Track your time, prioritize your tasks, and see how your productivity improves. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. What challenges do you face in managing your time, and how do you plan to overcome them?